Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Bioguard Pool Opening Complete is probably one of the most essential kits for any pool owner looking to transition from the off-season to pristine swimming conditions, offering a comprehensive solution that simplifies the often daunting task of pool opening and ensures your water is crystal clear and perfectly balanced from the very first dip, saving you time and effort. Number 5. AquaDoc Natural Pool Clarifier. Tired of cloudy pool water? Discover the ultimate natural solution for crystal clear water. It's the eco-friendly way to a sparkling pool. Watch as murky water transforms into a sparkling oasis. It creates an inviting environment for you and your guests to enjoy all season long. Our powerful, naturally formulated product is an eco-friendly alternative to traditional synthetic chemicals. It's gentle on your skin and the planet. It works by binding microscopic particles, allowing your filtration system to efficiently capture and remove them. This results in cleaner, clearer water. Designed to work seamlessly with any pool, whether it's saltwater, chlorine, in-ground, or above ground. It's the perfect addition to any pool maintenance routine. The 32-ounce bottle comes with simple, step-by-step instructions. It's easy to incorporate into your pool care regimen for effortless maintenance. What we like. This product offers a skin and planet-friendly formula that quickly transforms murky water into a sparkling oasis. If you're looking for an environmentally conscious way to achieve clear pool water without harsh chemicals, this is a great choice. It works by binding microscopic particles, allowing your filter to do the heavy lifting for cleaner results. What people say. This product is a great value and works well. I was very pleased with the results of this product. This product is easy to use and effective. Number 4. Eeziblue Monthly Algaecide for Swimming Pools. Keep your swimming pool free from algae with our effective monthly treatment. It's designed to prevent algae growth and maintain water clarity for pools up to 13,000 gallons. This is more than just an algaecide, it enhances your pool's clarity and improves filtration. It's an essential part of your pool maintenance routine for both in-ground and above-ground pools. You won't need a pool ionizer, stabilizer, clarifier, or phosphate remover. Simply pair it with your preferred chlorine treatment and shock as usual. This monthly treatment reduces chlorine demand for a healthier swimming environment. It also has the capability to turn green water back to blue, and it's compatible with saltwater pools. Application is simple with pre-measured doses delivered in a 21-ounce bag, perfect for pools up to 20,000 gallons. It effectively prevents and treats all types of algae. Our patent-protected, EPA-registered formula is based on copper and zinc minerals. It's our secret to getting rid of algae in your pool. What we like. This is more than just an algaecide, it enhances clarity and filtration, reducing your overall need for other pool chemicals. If you want a simple, monthly solution to prevent all types of algae and maintain a healthier swimming environment with less chlorine, this is the product for you. Its copper and zinc mineral base is a unique approach to algae control. What people say. This product is a great value for the price. The product is easy to use and works effectively. I was very pleased with the results of this product. Number 3. AquaDoc Pool Opening Chemical, 16 ounces. Tired of stubborn debris after winter? This chemical is designed to make your pool opening routine a breeze, complementing any pool opening kit. Our pool opener uses natural enzymes to save you time and energy. It breaks down organic materials, helping you achieve clear water faster. No matter your filter type, cartridge, DE, or sand, this product works seamlessly. It's compatible with all pool types, including in-ground and above-ground models. This starter chemical is great for all pool types. It works effectively with bromine, chlorine, and saltwater sanitized pools. All our pool chemicals are proudly made in the USA. We adhere to the highest quality standards for your peace of mind. What we like. This pool opening chemical uses natural enzymes to break down non-living organic materials, saving you time and energy during your pool startup. If you're looking for an effortless way to tackle winter debris and get your pool clear faster, this USA-made product is ideal. It's compatible with all filter types and sanitizers. What people say. This product is a great value for the price. It works as advertised and is easy to use. I would recommend this product to anyone looking for a reliable pool opening kit. Number 2. AquaDoc Pool Opening Chemical, 32 ounces. Tired of stubborn debris after winter? Our pool opening chemical tackles tough messes, complementing your pool opening kit for a faster start to the season. This pool opener uses natural enzymes to save you time and energy. They break down organic materials, helping you achieve clear water more quickly. No matter your filter type, cartridge, DE, or sand, this opening kit works seamlessly. It's compatible with all pool types, including in-ground and above-ground models. Whether you use bromine, chlorine, or saltwater, this starter chemical is a great choice. It's designed for both above-ground and in-ground pools. We are proud to manufacture all our pool chemicals right here in the USA. They are held to the highest quality standards for your peace of mind. What we like. This product is essentially the same enzyme-powered solution as the smaller version, but it's designed for larger pools up to 30,000 gallons. If you have a bigger backyard oasis and want to simplify your pool opening by breaking down stubborn debris with natural enzymes, this is the perfect fit. It ensures a quick and easy startup for any pool size. What people say. This product is a great value for the money. It works as advertised and is easy to use. I would recommend this product to anyone looking for a reliable pool opening kit. Number 1. AquaDoc Pool Opening Kit. Tired of the pool opening guesswork? This all-in-one kit takes the hassle out of getting your pool ready for the season. It includes everything you need for a quick and easy start. Inside this kit, you'll find Algaecide, pool starter, water clarifier, shock, stain and scale remover, and test strips. It's designed to handle pools from 15,000 to 20,000 gallons. Whether you have an in-ground or above-ground pool, a saltwater system, or an Intex pool, this kit is perfect for you. It effectively removes winter residue and contaminants. Keep your pool crystal clear with our powerful Algaecide. It not only removes existing algae but also prevents new growth for up to 90 days, ensuring a pristine pool. Achieve sparkling water with our super concentrated clarifier and stain and scale remover. It eliminates metals and buildup, improving filter efficiency and reducing chemical usage. This kit is designed for seamless compatibility with cartridge, DE, and sand filters. Enjoy a perfectly maintained pool with minimal effort this season. What we like. This is a comprehensive pool opening kit that eliminates the guesswork, including Algaecide, clarifier, shock, and more. If you want a complete, all-in-one solution to remove winter residue, prevent algae for up to 90 days, and achieve crystal clear water with minimal effort, this kit is your best bet. It's designed for easy startup and works with various sanitizing systems. What people say. The Bioguard Pool Opening Complete kit provided everything needed to get my pool ready for the season. All the components in the Bioguard Pool Opening Complete were clearly labeled and easy to use. I was impressed with how quickly the Bioguard Pool Opening Complete cleared up my cloudy pool water. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.